All right, so we're out here today. We just got started disking. I think it's February 26th is what today is, which I know for a lot of y'all that's, especially up north, that's real early for starting field work. But there's my dad. I don't know if you can see him. He's in the 295 and we got the 24-foot Amco disc on it. That's what we're using the disc, but he's in there right now because I was filming some stuff with my drone and he was here, so it was just easier for him to drive the tractor and let me get what I was filming. But I'll turn the camera around and let y'all look at this dirt. This is the dirt. I mean, it's not real dry, but in my opinion, there's a corn stalk in there. I mean, corn root, but in my opinion, you don't want it to be wet, but that's kind of what. We didn't do no fall tillage on this, except for the stuff that was a food plot. We just disked it last year, so I mean, that's kind of like a cover crop. But as you can see, we didn't do nothing with this. Last year, whenever from the custom harvester that cut this, I don't think he didn't have a chopping corn head or nothing. So it's just those tall stalks, but as you can see, this was just like that. But as you can see, it's disking up real good. That's the Amco disc there, real good disc. That's the first big one that we've had, but we've had like two 10-foot 3-point hitch disc that are made by the same company, but I'm about to get up in the tractor and start driving it now. Alright, so now we're up here. I'm up here in the cab of the tractor, disking. Y'all can see, just disking these corn stalks. There's what it looks like in front of me, but I got my GPS running. There's my stuff running a little under 5. That's about all you need to go in this stuff here, because it is a little rough, because all our stuff is bedded, and I'm kind of running crossways with the rows, as you can see. Yeah, see them in there. I don't know how good y'all can see that, but that's what we're doing today. this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.